Hey guys, Coco here, and this week's theme on 7 Cute Bears is what to do when ... So what I'm gonna do is what to do when it rains outside. So as you can see, it's kind of yucky outside, and it's gonna rain and it's windy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find out something what we can do inside, because it's raining. It's gonna rain and it's windy and cold outside. So we're gonna find something to do inside. So, number one is you can just sit down, find a comfy seat, and watch some TV. That's what I'm doing. That's number one of what you can do. Number two, you can use the computer. That's what I'm doing. Number three, read a book. Yeah, Winnie the Pooh. Number four, play the guitar if you have one. Do, 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 do. Mom has to help me on this. But I can play the tambourine that's on it. And number five, talk on the phone. I'm gonna call my grandma. See you in a little. Alright, okay. Bye, Grandma. So there is 5 reasons to do when it's raining outside. Those are my 5 choices, but you can do something else. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye, and you can see me every Friday on 7 Cute Bears. Bye. Number 4. Play the guitar.